Now start off with our 4th of July Godzilla surprise fold. Let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another fold. This way it kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now when we open it up, we have these nice little guidelines that show us where we want to keep the inside of our drawing. I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for that fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin with Godzilla's eye. So I'm just going to begin right here by making a little line. It's just going to kind of go down and back like a check mark. Let's go ahead and make a line that's going to curve around here for the eye. And let's put a little line underneath here. Let's make a couple little lines right here behind the eye. I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to come up and down just a little bit. We're going to kind of do the same thing here, and then down to here. I'm going to draw a little line, so just going to come out and then down here. And let's make a little line here for the nose. I'm going to draw a little line, it's just going to kind of come in like this. And a little line is just going to kind of come down. And then we're going to make it a little bumpy up here for the jaw. Next, we're going to kind of go down and in, and then down right to here. We'll draw a line back here. And then I want to make a few of his spikes. Let's go ahead by making a little pointed spike here. And then we're going to make a bigger one back here. For a little bit of detail, let's just kind of make a couple little lines that are just going to come down here. And then we'll make some more little extra lines coming up here. And we'll put one more up there. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our 4th of July Godzilla. So let's start this top part. Let's begin by drawing a line. It's just going to kind of come down. And I'm going to bring this line back here. Then this one, I'm just going to kind of come up, and we're going to bring it up to here. We're just going to connect this down. We'll make a little line back here with a couple extra lines just for kind of like the back of the mouth. I'm going to bring this line up a little bit more for like the jaw. Then I want to add some teeth. So I'm just going to make some nice little sharp triangle teeth, a few different sizes. And same thing here, just kind of some sharp pointed teeth. We'll make a tongue that's just going to kind of go down and up and then come back. Now, starting here, I'm going to make this kind of like pointed line. It's just going to kind of come out to here. And then same thing here, just make this kind of pointed line. Then we're going to make this really big kind of pointed zigzag line around here. Next, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down here, and then a second one here, just so we can kind of see the back of Godzilla's mouth. Then inside of here, when we start coloring, what I'm going to do is we're going to be using some different markers, or if you have colored pencils or crayons, and we're just going to kind of make little like fireworks shapes on here. And there you go. There's your drawing of a 4th of July Godzilla surprise fold. When we have it all folded up, we have our Godzilla right here. Then when we open it, we've got him doing his blast, and he's going to be doing all sorts of cool fireworks in the background. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.